Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you are doing great, exceptionally well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And I am also doing great, exceptionally well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. So right now, are you confused? Where am I? Maximum people don't know about this place. It's Bonani playground is just beside the TNT Girls College. Do you know about the TNT Girls College? Yes, already you know that because it's a road, it's a Mohakali road just beside the government Titumir College, and you know also government Titumir College. Okay, so now I came to my workplace a few minutes ago. I went to my office to meet my colleagues because I have been managing my workplace for the past a few days. So my workplace, my rules involves managing the cash counter. As a manager should be doing anything. So and also I'm a digital marketer. I need to manage our social media page, and our social media has a big page. So and also we have a four brands, and a few days ago we built a branch, Gulshan, beside the United Hospital, and Gulshan 2 beside the United Hospital. And the Dhaka city is the best expensive hospital, maybe United, because their cost per result is very, very, very high. So I don't want to tell their personal this hospital. Today is my topic about Hello Talk. Do you know about the Hello Talk? If you don't use the Hello Talk, please, if you want to learn, if you want to speak in English pro the pro level, so you can use the Hello Talk English learning platform. This is the best platform to improve our speaking skills and as well as listening skills. So as an English learner, to both is very important, and the four things is very important: writing, reading, is speaking, and also listening. So as for the first time, you have to focus. The two things is very important: listening and speaking. So and also sometimes you need to read some content, what you like. If you like animals, you can write about animal in English. But I like business, I like digital marketing, sales funnel, and customer psychology. So I like to read about customer psychology in English. So and already I completed some books to read. So my next target, I will have complete 50 books, 50 books by 2026. So it will be a little bit hard for me, but I have to do it because when so every success people can speak fluently in front of a lot of people. There is only one thing. I'm sorry for that. My ear is a little bit because there is a windy. That's why I'm sorry for that. Please just listen my speak. Okay. So why they can't speak fluently in front of people? Because every billionaire has a secret point, secret strategy, natural power, and they are thinking. So Steve Jobs said before cancer and attack and the cancer, he said, when I suffering my cancer, I think I learned something. But look at this, but amazing their learning level. And do you know the Elon Musk every day every week complete the 2 books and 5 books, read the complete, and 11 hours learn every day. But we are a little bit learn, and we think it's good for me. I don't need to learn anything. I know a lot of things. It's not, brother. Learning is the point. If you survive the world and from others, you have to learn more and more, and every day. So every day, so like this, every day I try to learn something about my major subject. My major subject is specifically I want to become an engineer, but my target is to become an expert digital marketer in Bangladesh, and I want to show Bangladesh brands in the world. It's my dream. It's not my dream. It's my passion. It's my target. It's my goals. So inshallah I can do it only for one reason. I say believe, because I can believe myself, because my Allah give me the good brain. If every people has a good brains, the human brain is more powerful, better than 10 million computer. Just amazing thinking, brother. So okay, how to improve our communication skills? The communication, if you want to improve your communication skills, there is only one thing: read books more and more, and speak slowly. Just give your mind some time to thinking, because our mind is think very fast. If you think the 5 minutes deeply, 5 minutes you can make a cinema, Hollywood Bollywood cinema. This is the power of thinking. If you don't read the power of thinking, so you can read these books, the power of thinking. So some now right now I'm start power of positivity, and also after my target deep work. So this book is called Peter, maybe called Petel, maybe, I don't know, but I don't remember this name. Okay, so yes, this is, and come to our main point, is that our main point, how to improve our speaking skills as well as me. And I'm also an English learner like you, but every day I'm trying to improve. And I don't like I don't mostly, and I don't like to one thing to one way try again and again, and make mistake, same mistake again and again. So please don't make mistake, don't same mistake again and again. Try to make new mistake. Okay, and also I don't like to try only one. If I do anything if I decided to do anything future, and I think this is not the one way. And every problem has a lot of way to solution. Everything has a lot of a way to learn something and go look forward. So same like you, when you learn English, don't try only one. You can practice shadowing. Do you know about shadowing? Shadowing practice is very important to improve our speaking, improve our any language. So shadowing practice means whenever you listen some videos, some short videos in English, you can speak like your native speaker, whatever you like to their pronunciation. It will help you improve your pronunciation, and as well as also improve your word and sentences. So I hope you got my point. And also comprehensive is just right now I'm explain just around me is also the comprehensive. Is comprehensive means explain just whatever you have around. Just explain, and don't focus, don't look your mistake. Mistake is a simple way, because we're a learner. Every people make mistake. When I started my journey, I didn't know where is use she, where use he. But now I can speak with some people and with some friends, and already I made a lot of friends. They are living Morocco, Brazil, and also Philippines, Bangladesh, oh, it's good for you have to, if you make a lot of friends, if you like to know various kind of people culture and others culture, so you have to learn various type of language. But English is an international language. A lot of people try to learn English language, you know that, because English language is a opens some door to do something. So as a marketer, and I believe that if I practice consistency, if I achieve this, and I will get more opportunity to for my client. And because if I can speak fluently, so I will showing my work strategy, my content strategy, and everything, and betterly. So I hope you got my point. Okay, so as an English learner, yeah, please don't afraid, don't afraid. But not look at this, I'm making video around a lot of people, but I don't care about their activities because they are busy their work and I'm busy my improve myself. It's not about that big issue. Please don't take a big issue. When you learn something, some people are joking with you. It's necessary, bro. Why you didn't take the deeply? It's necessary. But if you don't try today, you will be not able to good. Please avoid them and focus your career. You can do it because you have this possible for you, and believe yourself and control your brain and tell yourself it's possible for you, and don't say it's hard for me. Whenever you say it's hard for you, and then start it's hard for you. Okay, so do you have any specific strategy, a specific thing to improve more, improve our speak, improve our English language? Please write in the comment section. I will be seeing your tips and tricks to improve my English language. I know people will be not watching my video and 12 minutes at the duration time, but I don't care that because I don't care because people like to listen more things, but not the big things. So it's not the big issue for that. Okay, I frustrated that about things. So you know this is today is not a cold day. It's a little bit windy and also a little bit sunny. It's not a sunny. It may rain today, but I don't know properly. So just I am walking on this field and try to explain with these people, and why today why I'm making video. Am I making do I make video every day? Because improve my speaking language and also share my thing a lot of people to help. I want to help some people who's those are interested to learn English like me. I'm a crazy learner. I am an English crazy learner. So as a crazy learner should be share some things for as a beginner. So I'm also beginner, but I believe is that I can explain just things just betterly, because thing around just whenever you explain anything, it will be the put your brain, it will be help you the lot of things. It just not about basic things. Yeah, sorry for that. Someone was laughing in front of me. So okay, everyone, please pray for me. I want to achieve my goals, and also I want to share my knowledge in front of a lot of people. And please give me some time. Inshallah, I'll be better, because I'm a learner. As a learner, make mistake. As a learner, yeah, it's simple to make mistake. It's not the big issue. So okay, if you watch my video for enjoying and also feel bored, please like my page, subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow my page and subscribe my YouTube channel. But okay, thank you so much. See you in the next video. I'll be sharing a lot of things.